Assalamu alaikum 6th class students. Chapter 1 Cells, Tissues and Organs. This is the lesson 3 Tissues. Apart from the very simplest organisms, plants and animals are made up of large numbers of cells. Cells of the same type usually group together to form tissues. A living tissue is made from a group of similar cells which all work together to do a particular job. Here are some examples of tissues from plants and animals. Students, इसमें आपको ये बताया हुआ है कि one type के cells they form a group, they join together to form a tissue. यहाँ पे आपको different kinds of plants and animals tissues दिए हुए हैं. Where it is found, वो कहाँ पाए जाते हैं, what it is made up of, what are they made of, कैसे बने हैं वो, किस चीज़ से बने हैं, and special job और उनका function क्या है. The first kind is epidermal tissue. They are found on the surface of leaves and other parts of a plant. They are made of sheets of flattened cells. They protect the plant from damage and prevent it from drying up. अब प्लांट का जो लीफ होता है, लीफ की जो अपर सरफेस होती है, वहाँ पे एपिडर्मल टिश्यूज़ पाए जाते हैं एंड दे प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं प्लांट को फ्रॉम डैमेज और ड्राई होने से. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो टॉप पार्ट है लाइट ग्रीन कलर का लीफ का, दीज आर ऑल एपिडर्मल टिश्यूज़. दे प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम सनलाइट एंड फ्रॉम डैमेज. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज photosynthetic tissues. They are found in leaves and other green parts of a plant. और बहुत सारे palisade cells with lots of chlorophyll they join together to form photosynthetic tissues, and their function is to make food for the plant. You know कि palisade tissues उनका भी यही काम है, they trap the sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. So the next one is supporting tissues. They are mainly in the plant stem. Cells with thickened walls. They are made up of cells with thickened walls and their function is to support and strengthens the plant. You know कि plant का जो stem होता है वो सख्त होता है, plant को खड़ा होने में मदद देता है, तो thick जो cells होते हैं they join together to form supporting tissue. So children, this is the microscopic view, real life microscopic view of photosynthetic tissues. Epithelial tissue. This tissue is found on the surface of an animal's skin and lining the tubes and other spaces inside the animal's body, including the mouth. It is made up of sheets of cells and it protects the structures underneath. So जो animals और human beings होते हैं उनकी जो top की जो skin होती है उसके ऊपर पाए जाते हैं epithelial tissues, और इनका function ये होता है कि protect करते हैं हमारे internal organs को. This is a microscopic view of epithelial tissues. The next one is muscle tissue. It is found in the limbs and in the walls of certain organs, and it is made up of bundles of muscle cells, and its job is to contracts to bring about movement in an animal's body. So जो हमारे muscles होते हैं, muscles tissues होते हैं, they are made up of muscle cells and mainly found in हमारे टांगों में और हाथों में, limbs में पाए जाते हैं, और certain organs जो होते हैं उनकी जो covering होती है, walls होती है, वो muscular वहाँ पे पाए जाते हैं. So students, this is a microscopic view of muscle tissue. The last one is nerve tissue. They are found in the brain and spinal cord of an animal. They are made up of a network of nerve cells and its function is to they carries messages from one part of animal's body to another. So जो nerve tissues होते हैं mainly उनका ताल्लुक हमारे nervous system से होता है, brain and spinal cord में पाए जाते हैं, nerve cells से मिलके बनते हैं, और उनका काम ये होता है कि वो messages carry करते हैं हमारे animals के एक part से दूसरे part की तरफ. Students, this is a microscopic view of nerve tissues. So students, these three are plant tissues: epidermal, photosynthetic and supporting, and the next three epithelial, muscle and nerve. These three are animal tissues.